In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a recurring meeting in Google Calendar and set up a Google Meet recurring meeting, ensuring you never miss an important meeting. Whether it's for work, study, or social gatherings, scheduling your meetings to recur can save you time and help keep everything organized. Let's get started by heading over to Google Calendar. Open your web browser and type in Google Calendar in the search bar. Click on the link to open Google Calendar. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. This will take you to the login page where you'll choose the Google account you want to use. Make sure it's the account you want to associate with the meeting. Once you're signed in, look for the plus create button, which is usually marked in color. This is your gateway to starting a new event. Clicking on this button will open a range of options. Select event from this list. This will bring up a new window where you can begin filling in the details of your event. Start by typing in the event name. This could be anything that clearly identifies your meeting for you and your invitees. Next, set the event's date and time. You'll need to specify when the meeting starts and how long it will last. To make your meeting accessible online, you can add a Google Meet link. Simply click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, and Google Calendar will automatically generate a unique Meet link for you. This is incredibly useful for virtual meetings, ensuring all your participants can easily access the meeting. Now let's set this meeting to repeat. Look for the Does Not Repeat drop-down menu and click on it. You'll see options such as daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Choose the frequency that suits your needs. For example, if you need a weekly meeting, select weekly on Friday, or explore the custom option to select specific days like every Monday and Wednesday. If you wish to include other participants, click on Add Guests and enter their email addresses. To provide clarity on the meeting's location, click Add Location, which is particularly useful for both physical and online events. And if there are any additional details that guests should be aware of, use the Add Description field to provide that information. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, review them to ensure everything is accurate. After confirming that all information is correct, click the Save button at the top. Google Calendar might prompt you to send emails to guests. Confirm the action, and your recurring meeting is all set. Now your meetings are scheduled to automatically repeat according to the preferences you set, making your life a bit more organized and hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.